Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save a LinkedIn profile in PDF format. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Go to your LinkedIn ID. Now, I'm going to open a profile. I'm going to open this profile. Okay, now I need to copy. Now I need to save this profile because this is a very potential profile. I need to learn it later. So I want to copy this profile. To copy this profile, click on More. And then you will find Save to PDF. Click on Save to PDF. Now, preparing PDF, your download will begin shortly. Please wait some little time. Now, go to Downloads. Now, profile.pdf. Open download folder, and this is the LinkedIn profile. Just open the profile. Now, the LinkedIn profile has been saved as PDF. And you will find his contact email address also. This is very easy technique to save LinkedIn profile as PDF. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.